My name is Brian Weeks, and I am a Senior AEC Technical Specialist for ATG USA. Today, I'm going to show you in the newly released Autodesk FormIt 2021 about real-time collaboration. With a FormIt Pro subscription, you will have access to real-time collaboration, which allows you to start a collaboration session and invite colleagues or clients who do not need to have FormIt Pro to join a collaboration session from the Windows, web, or mobile apps, charrette with colleagues to explore designs in a shared sandbox environment, follow another collaborator's camera to see the model from their viewpoint, let a client follow your camera as you drive them through the design, and lastly, chat with collaborators in the session. So I have FormIt opened and a new project started. On the top toolbar, I will select Collaboration, and I can select Start Sharing Session or Join Existing Session. I will go ahead and select Sharing Session, and it will pull up a box to allow me to create a link that I can email to whomever I am collaborating with. They will click the link in their email and it will open a web-based app in their browser. They do not need to have FormIt Pro to enter a collaboration, just to start a collaboration. This is great for owners or contractors who are contributing to the design but do not own the software. In this example, I have 2 FormIt sessions open, but it works the same way: live design collaboration. When a model element is created or modified, it instantly appears in the other user's application. So let's go ahead and click on this link, copy it to our clipboard, come over here to the other FormIt session, and join an existing session. And I'm going to paste that in and hit OK. Close this one. And now, as you can see from our chat boxes, I am actually in both user boxes collaborating with my design. So if we come over here and let's say draw a box, and I'm going to go ahead and draw, maybe we've got this wing that comes out on this new hotel we're designing. And then over here, the client thinks that looks pretty cool. What if we put a pyramid up here on top? Maybe a skylight, some fishbowl windows, and then big entry at the end. So as we draw this, as you can see, it appears in both locations, collaborating with the architect, the design that's intended. Just this one application within FormIt 2021 will save you time and money as you bring your client's design needs to fruition. So thank you for joining me today. And if you have any questions, comments, or even requests for additional web content, please visit atgusa.com.